In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in free Coursera courses through the HEC portal. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do from your first registration all the way to starting your first course. First, you'll begin on the HEC eServices portal. Create your account by entering accurate personal and academic details, and make sure you use an email address you can access regularly. If your university provides an official email, it's often a good idea to use that for smoother verification. Set a strong password and keep it somewhere safe. Take a moment to review everything before submitting, so your information matches what your university has on file. Once your account is set up, log in and complete the application form for Coursera access. This form confirms your eligibility and connects your profile to your university. Fill in every required field carefully, including your university name and student identification details, exactly as they appear in your records. If the form asks for any supporting information, provide it clearly and accurately. Before you submit, double-check for typos or mismatched information, as corrections later can slow things down. After you submit your application, the process moves to your university's focal person for verification. This is the designated staff member who confirms you are an eligible student or faculty member. Approval times can vary depending on your institution's workflow. During this period, you can periodically sign back into the HEC eServices portal to see if your status has changed from submitted to approved. Patience helps here. Avoid resubmitting unless the portal specifically asks you to update something. When your application is approved, you'll receive an invitation email from Coursera with a unique link. This link ties your Coursera access to your HEC-sponsored account. Open the email, click the invitation, and create your Coursera account or link it if you already have one. Make sure you complete this step using the same email associated with your HEC application to avoid any access issues. If you don't see the message in your inbox after approval, keep an eye on your promotions or junk folders. With your Coursera account set up through the invitation, you can start enrolling in courses included in your HEC plan. Browse the catalog, look for the banner or label that indicates your access is covered, and enroll directly from those course pages. If a course shows a charge, verify that you're using the invited account and that the course is part of the eligible selection. That's it. Register on HEC eServices, complete the application, wait for university verification, accept your Coursera invite, and start learning.